How to change language in PowerPoint. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change language in PowerPoint. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open PowerPoint on your PC or laptop. Alright, so after you open the PowerPoint, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this file option just at the top left corner. Alright, so from here you'll have to click on this option just at the last one. Okay, so from this PowerPoint option, you'll have to go the option language, so simply click on it language. Alright, so now from this language section, you'll be able to choose or add your language from here. So on the section editing language, you can add your preferred language from here, so you can add any language from here. And on the another section for the display and help language, you can easily choose two languages from here, like you have to choose Microsoft Windows default language, or you can go the option English language. So from here you can choose your preferred language on PowerPoint. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.